Hello and welcome back to my channel Code with Abhi. Before we begin, I see about 90% of people who are watching the videos are not subscribed. For you guys, it would be a matter of few seconds to subscribe, but for us, it gives the motivation to give new content and videos. I hope all who are watching learning something new with my videos. So in today's video, we are going to learn about searching for the products. So let's begin. Here I am going to search for word unlock and you see the results. Again, I search something different. Let's see. So here I am searching for the result, some words, and based on the result we are showing the grid and adding the new icon to the UI. Let's have a look at the search API first. So in search API, it's nothing but like product question mark search, and we have to create product name like this, and in variables we are going to pass the product name. That's it. Let me show you how it's working. Calling the API, see, it gives the result. Okay, so I have set up a new page for you guys to have better idea of everything. So I'm just going to make home page to copy. Let me load it one more time. Okay, so this is our home page to copy. In this we are going to add one variable, local space state variable, and its name will be show list, and it would be type of boolean, and initial field is required. Okay, so for this grid, condition would be page state show list. Okay, and let me just duplicate this grid list. Why I am going to duplicate this list is because I am going to show the result in this grid. Okay, and this would be working like opposite. If it's false, it will show the list. Okay, now here in our column we are going to add one container, again one more. Okay, in that text field we are going to name it as search text field. Okay, and we are going to wrap it with the row. Sorry, what happened? Just a moment, I am going to check my code for the form row. Yes, okay. Let me wrap it with the form first. From web with row. Not sure why it's not working like that. Form row, yes, okay. Just a moment, guys. container form row. Container form. Okay, column, we are able to add the row, and I'm going to wrap this row with the container, and inside the container now we are going to add the text field and going to name it as search text field. Okay, and padding is fine, and for the row the children would be at the top, 8 spacing 8, and one icon button. I'm going to rename it as clear icon button, and icon would be close. Okay, fill color I'm going to take it as black, as the border would be also the same. Icon color white, and its spreading from all side would be 8. Okay, and we are going to wrap this widget with the form validation. Automatically validate search text field, search is required and minimum 3 characters. Text validated none. Okay, and search row I'm going to give the padding again as 8. Search text field, border type outline, border color black, these all things you can do. I'm just not enforced. Okay, hide length counter. Okay, and label we are going to search for product. In this on submit I am going to call the API, which API? The search API. Variable product name, value would be from the widget state, search text field, result would be search results API, and in this I'm going to add condition page state, update the page state, going to set the field to false, and if value is not coming we are going to set it as true. Okay, and in this clear page state, again we are going to set value as true, and also one more we have to add is clear text. Okay, so this will clear the fields, and first it will clear the fields and then it will set the page state. So let me reload just. Let's see our search is visible or not. So till here we are done. Now coming to the grid. In this we have to remove this query, and the result we are going to show it from the action outputs, search API results, JSON body, JSON path, and dollar. Save. So let me just search for unlock now. So I hope this is working. And 3 2. Okay, and clearing the field. Okay, that's all for today's video. I hope you like the video. I request you, all of you who watched till the end, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We are going to reach 100 subscribers soon. Yes, thank you.